So I went to the hydraulic shop because the dealer could not get or did not offer a kit for this tractor for some odd reason. So I went to a hydraulic shop and they matched up the parts. They were metric, so it took a little time, but got the old part, and then the new part looks much better than the old part, of course. So we're going to try to put this back together. And then our outer ring will go in. Hopefully. So after much agony and an arduous task, I have the Valdez oil leak repaired on the steering cylinder. I'm getting ready to go for a test run, but I've had it running for a few minutes and no leaks on the new seals. So very happy, very excited. Boy, it was a pig of a job, but feeling satisfied now. Hopefully it'll stay together and not resume leaking, and I'll give you a look. So yeah, job finished. So please comment, rate, subscribe, and more to come on. I have tractor MV, 500 horsepower. GPS enabled. And it's green.